Hold on, wait. Let's see. Oh. Okay, you can start cutting the callaloo. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is the first picking of the callaloo, or it was cutting, not picking, it's cutting.
Okay, is that okay?
Mommy able to pull a callaloo?
No, I'm not going to.
Mommy, you should just pull a callaloo. Oh, don't know what that.
It's one mix one bit.
You know what this?
That's not what we did at growing area.
But I don't know what.
No, I did at growing area.
But you don't know why you pull it up. What if it was something else? I have to take that tomato down.
You mean I come?
Why the tree them? You better not. I planted some not planted. I put something in the water in the machine. The wife closed them. But anyways, yeah, good morning. This is the garden today. Sunday, June 30th. The first reaping of the callaloo. Then I cut them on this. Cut them, then we spring back. Cut them and throw some fertilizer and then spring back. Cut them too. Yes, you can, mommy. Cut to make it was spray. It will give off. Mommy, yes, you can. Cut them. Cut it. Cut the other one to make it get new leaf. Cut it. So this one on a callaloo need right, that's all. And the next sitting this too. So two pieces more callaloo can go this so. Come this one yes, this one here. Yeah, I'm about to make callaloo for breakfast. How this one come from? Where am I come from?
You're outside, what is your house with tomorrow?
Yep. Calalloo cutting season, yeah.
I cut that one.
Cut them, make them spring back, mommy. Cut them. They're not gonna go no further like that. Same way them are gonna make them. At least this way then we push out new leaf and sitting. At least that way then we push out new branches. I didn't realize you put some over in your set too.
And then me exactly the point then. Exactly not the new one.
Then they could have put them up the sun where they. Cause now the tomato go black then yeah, so. Tomato go black then yeah, so then they
You want the sun?
they're too far in that corner. That's none never supposed to come down here so. Up the sun then if it can. Up the sun. 2 million I do good so far.
Mm-hmm.
Cut something in spring back.
No, then the too young, Mickey, you're killing. Too young, man. Yeah.
Different type of cucumber them I want here.
Hmm? Kumba, didn't I this too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Everything in the head.
Oh. So me did tell you about the
You gotta be careful because then it will break. You gotta be careful because careful it will broke.
You know what that's saying, man. I want hold yourself and just carry down so. Just one little thing, just stretch across and carry down so. Go.
Sitting in love. Sitting in love with the pepper them.
Mm-hmm.
Down there so. This one them on here, so look at this one here. I made it bud. Look how it full up. Pepper everywhere. I made it bud that one here. I made it bud that one here too. But this one I do good. And then this, I never see that type of pepper tree yet. How it looks so. You see it?
You pick the raspberry as well, man?
It's still there right here, so. To them there. Right there. I don't know if you go through, we'll just spray again.
Where not this one here? Where this here?
Look like when I see the drop in a hit when I just sprinkle seed them, so left it alone. Because when I see them, then I hit when if so when I put on pepper.
That one there scotchy.
Yeah, it was the scotchy.
Oh.
I just want me to have this one me start inside.
But this one this look like the hot the bud. Remember pepper we did too hot.
The little one?
Yeah, this one look like
This are the one I want me start inside, and this is one I want me start inside. They said me know say this are definitely the scotchy because they said the what they call habanero, but the scotchy. But yeah.
I want to throw some dirt on this now. Let's throw the dirt on it. Let's throw the dirt on it, that's it.
Yeah, but remember the sweet pepper grow down anyway, so it's full of dirt, you know? Remember say full of dirt. And the sweet pepper grow down anyway, so I go leave me not bother hit me, I go leave it alone.
Sweet pepper.
You know me mean, sweet potato.
Let's throw some dirt on that.
What the hell this here?
I'll make it go on, can't see.
Oh, and you can see the same place. Where there.
How do you want to do this?
Yeah, but then they two in the shade. Then they two in the shade.
Go move it. Go move it.
And that's the first ripping of the Calalloo. But now that you cut it, I will spring up even more next time.
Some fertilizer you can't get
Which melon plant?
you get the seed of an onion character plant. That this
Oh.
one next one the plant over here. I think one the plant over here.
You should plant, and then some of the okra was seed the day I said gone. You should plant that one on the wall. Some more on the wall, but when it starts spring up, me
Well,
just...
you did plant it, so when this did in
Yeah, but I'm saying I should plant on the wall, but when it starts, me just direct it to it. I think this one, the problem with this one is this one never, the dirt never dig up on, you never get fresh. You never get fresh dirt in a hit. I think that's the problem with this. That's why they look so. The dirt never, me never put manure and me never rich up the dirt. Because never planted, this is wait for Calalloo, so that's why I never planted a hit yet. And this one neither. I never rich up the dirt on this one neither. So I think I need to still go do that.
See the Calalloo them come, you know? The Calalloo, you know? This is them our...
Must have probably bush.
No,
not that one there.
This.
Yeah, this your pine pan and this a bush. So is this. So is this. So is this. This a tomato will spring up on its own. With a tomato will spring up on its own.
Oh, the dirt
Remember say,
mud. I'm
gonna have to put stuff on top. It can't dig up it now. But the tomato you might remember say yes, a tomato used to this, so that's why the
But this strange jungle one tomato come up in there.
I said two look them I never plant no tomato by the side. I come on their own. Never plant none over there, so I come on their own.
See a lettuce that?
After me, I remember to literally then it a radish. I know what I mean. If you take out the radish, when you beets, when if you haul out some more the beets come big. If you haul out some more the sucker, more me haul out, more come. Me haul out already, you know?
So you do it plant it different?
That wasn't smart of me. I should have had when you were cutting it up and all of this. I was like, oh, that's it. Look at my Calalloo. I forgot to record the whole cutting it up part. And well, it's almost ready. It's too late now. Oh, steamy, getting steamy. It's steamy. Listen, it's one thing you need to know about my mother's fried dumpling. It's one of the best in the fried dumpling world. Good morning, Terrence.
Good morning. And she also makes them all of them
Sunday.
Sunday,
Yes.
what she's making.
So she's about to make some fried dumpling and Calalloo's ready. The Calalloo ready. And she's about to do the fried dumpling. Remember the pot hot. Yeah, I just realized I should have recorded when she was doing the whole thing. But you know how to cut up some vegetables and make it she makes it boring, honestly. Because I don't even see no tomatoes in the pot. But anywho, it's gonna be good because it's fresh from the garden. We see them. We're just gonna throw them back. Yeah, we're just gonna throw them back. We're gonna throw them back like I mean they like stay dormant in the winter and they'll come up earlier this year. Think you ever tired? Huh? Think you ever tired? It's the flour, because you know, salt, the regular things. trying to wait for her. She's gonna flatten it out.
What is that color? Put the color name on the wash out this wash out this in over there.
Right.
So we wash it. Want spoon to there?
Hold on, wait. Wait. Hold on, wait. Let's see. Oh.
No, cover it back. No, you want to hide it, the clean up right now.
Mm. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. Oh, so good. Let me put the fork down before I try again. Next thing pot will be empty. Now I just gotta wait for her to do the dumpling. Gotta wait for her to do the dumpling. The dumpling. And I always forget. Maybe next week Sunday. I think I'm off next week Sunday. I was just checking my schedule when I remembered. So she's flattening them out. See that? And when the oil gets really hot, she's gonna put them in. It's not ready.
Hmm?
Look, I usually just splash a little bit of water to see if it's gonna pop. See, look, she's still flattened. You realize the middle, how flat it is? Wait, you're gonna see it come up. Now take that little piece out. Look how that it had there.
Okay.
See? And it floated to the top. The oil could have been hotter, but yeah. I got another one.
Is it? This should be
It's definitely hot now. See, now look at that. Turn it down low. And see how fast that one floated? Because the oil is bubbling. When she's done, when those are done, oh damn, I touched the pot. When they went done fry, I'll show you. Because the middle is basically empty. But they're so good.
I'm going to in the end, up to the arm.
Back to the kitchen.
Yes.
What?
Dumpling them.
Oh, these ones that are good? Okay, so she said these ones are better. But if you look at it, look. Do you see that? You see that bubble? That like belly? Yeah, that belly right there. That just lets you know that that's gonna be a good one. Let me make my coffee. So I can have me some fried dumpling. Have me some fried dumpling. So this was the first ones. The oil wasn't hot enough, so it came a little bit flat. But they're still good. This one could I fry it on this side, mommy? Feel a little thingy on the side there. So these ones are the ones when it wasn't too hot, right? Them your one yeah is when the oil hot enough and you see that bubble. Once it cool, I'll pop one and show you.
Of course, you see.
Yeah, the hell is swelling up. You put one new one in there so I'll record the whole process. How it float up. See Calalloo over here now?
Baby.
Get a spoon now and come share the Calalloo.
I'm going to make something you boil over.
Come out of the fridge, it's still cool. This is the dumpling. This is one. So I want to show you. See, the inside is hollow. Do you see that steam coming out of it? Do you see that? Ooh. So now what I do is I put my food in here.
You're afraid when I plant in?
Plant in the green. It's so good. I took out of my 90s. I'm not getting on camera. But oh my gosh, so good, so good. Yum yum in my tum tum. There we go. Do you see the in this one? And then it's also you put some plantain in it. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Come on, I fried this plantain just for you.
Yes, she is.
Come on, I fried plantain just for you.
I mean, you've already eaten. You don't even eat my fountains. No, no, it's not that. Because I wash your stuff.